and welcome back to my new video. In this video I will teach you how to refer a person to Timebucks. So guys, I click on refer button and then you can see you will get paid 15% commission on the earning for everyone you refer to Timebucks. That means if your referral earn $10, you will earn $1.50 commission. You do not earn referral commission on their bonuses. You will only earn referral commission if your referral has verified their ID. That means if your referral will complete $10 and verify their ID, you will get paid $2, and after that you will get 15% of their earning. So you have to need copy Timebucks link and then share it your friend and social media network like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc. Guys, you can see I have just earned $1 plus by referral. You can see my referral earning, and you can click here to check list of your referral. Like this, you can see here your referral and their lifetime earning. So guys, link in description. Join now Timebucks and then start earning by referring also. Thanks for watching. Make sure subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on all notification. Have a nice day.